On today's episode, how to chop an onion. It's so often that I see people trying to chop, say, an onion with a steak knife or a butter knife, and it just always makes me cringe because it is so dangerous to use not the right tool for that specific job. Now, if you have a chef knife, that would be most ideal because it has a lot more weight and it will be a lot easier when you're trying to chop something. So you just want to use your 3 fingers in the back of the knife. So curve your 3 fingers and you're basically guiding where your knife is going to be. This way, you know exactly where your knife is and it's never going to hurt you. Take your knife, 3 fingers, and same thing, 3 fingers, knife, and just guide your knife. Same thing again. Take the time to practice this and you'll be more confident with whatever you chop.